What's going on, guys? Mike here from Stack Detailing Ceramic Coating, servicing the Queens and Long Island, New York region. Today I am here with my personal vehicle. It's my daily driver, a 2021 Ford Explorer ST. I beat the hell out of this thing, right? There's no dag about it. I beat the snot out of this car, all right? It's been months since I washed this car, and it's been dreading on me a little bit. So we are doing a salt removal detail. Now, we offer this in two different packages. If it's too cold for us to pop out the hose, if the hose is frozen, we can't turn the water on, then we do this as a rinseless wash, which I'll do in a separate vehicle just for demonstration purposes. But today we are busting out the hose. We're gonna hit it with a salt neutralizer. We're gonna do a quick detail on it and get this thing shining just like it is right now, all right? Check it out. Now, the whole point of this detail is to completely get the car rid of the salt that's accumulated off the road. So you're going to see us use this chemical that is a pH-safe, body-safe salt neutralizer. We're going to use this on the paint, the entire car, the wheels as well. We combine it into our wheel soap and also the shampoo in the foam gun and the wash bucket. Now, after we fill up that, we're going to go on to the wheels over here. I like to go back and forth between using a pump sprayer and a foamer on the wheels with the iron remover and wheel cleaner. It depends what the wheel needs specifically. We hit it with a tire cleaner, rubber specific tire cleaner, and then we go after the cleaning process. Now, again, I also like to switch back and forth between different types of brushes and also a wheel mitt. Again, exactly what the wheel needs, I'll make a judgment on the spot and go after it like this. This one didn't really have any brake dust baked on. It was mostly just dirty and kind of filled with salt, so decided to go in with a mitt and just a little less abrasive than any brush out there. Now, after that, once we clean the wheel, we do slightly rinse it down with this salt removal pump sprayer, and we hit the wheel, the inside, whatever we could reach with it, including the wheel well and the tire itself. Now, once the wheels are done, we do the exact same process to the exhaust tips, because a lot of carbon compounds from the motor get stuck to them, makes them look dull, can stain them, and you also get tar on here. So we also spray it down with a tar remover, which I didn't catch on my GoPro. Once that's done, we rinse everything down and then move on to the beginning of the salt removal process, which is spraying the whole car down with our salt neutralizing spray. This is a pH safe spray. It won't etch into anything. It's body safe, glass safe, plastic safe, paint safe. It's everything safe, and it's fantastic. It's meant to dry on your car, be rinsed down later. Right after we cover everything, you're going to see that we move on to the actual washing process. So, fill up our foam cannon. In this video, you're going to see that our foam cannon is green. We do not use that on clientele. All right, I don't like using any color additives in my shampoo because the color additives itself, it can seep into the engine bay and actually stain something. So this is a shampoo that my buddy gave me, and I'm just testing it out on my own car just to see the foaming capabilities, the lubricity of it. But normally we use a colorless shampoo that you can see right here. Right before that, I put in the salt foaming neutralizing additive, get our bucket ready, and then we go town foaming up the entire car. Right after the foam, we're going to give it a hand wash, start from the top, work our way down to the bottom of the car. You want to start from the top of the car and work your way to the half point, then go around the entire car, then start the half to the lower point of the car. So, let's get into it. Enjoy the music. So that pretty much wraps it up here for this detail. We ran into a couple of hiccups that I didn't think we would with the GoPro, and a couple issues with the detail itself, but nothing we couldn't get around, nothing we couldn't fix. I did opt out for the 3-month hydro coat instead of the 6-month coating that we normally put on a salt removal detail, but that's just personally, I know what's on this car. I just didn't want to use it, and it is my personal vehicle, and I'm a little lazy right now. So the car came out absolutely fantastic, and it really needed a detail. It's been months since I've actually washed this car. If you guys have any questions, or if you'd like to check out our services, head over to staticdetailing.com or shoot me an email at mikestaticdetailing@gmail.com. All the prices, all the packages, all the services we have is on our website, so you're welcome to head on over there and check it out. I'll see you guys next time.